To add Microsoft Teams to Outlook 2025, start by opening your Outlook application and navigating to the Settings icon, which is represented by a gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Then select Manage Integrations. In the Integrations window, click on the Add an Integration button and search for Microsoft Teams in the search bar. Select Microsoft Teams from the search results and click the Add button to initiate the integration process. You will be redirected to the Microsoft Teams login page, where you need to enter your Microsoft Teams credentials to authenticate the integration. Once authenticated, you will be prompted to authorize the integration. Click the Authorize button to complete the process. After successful integration, you will see the Microsoft Teams icon in your Outlook navigation menu. Click on the Microsoft Teams icon to access the Microsoft Teams features within Outlook. You can now use Microsoft Teams features such as chat, meetings, and file sharing directly from your Outlook application. To further customize your Microsoft Teams integration, click on the Settings icon next to the Microsoft Teams icon and select Settings. In the Settings window, you can configure your Microsoft Teams preferences, such as notification settings and chat settings. Best practices for using Microsoft Teams in Outlook include using the chat feature to communicate with team members, scheduling meetings, and sharing files with colleagues. You can also use the Microsoft Teams icon to quickly access your Microsoft Teams channels and join meetings. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Microsoft Teams into your Outlook 2025 application and enhance your productivity and collaboration capabilities.